Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. Today, we're counting down 5 incredible 4K smart projectors that bring cinematic entertainment right into your home. From ultra-bright laser engines and premium optics to gaming-ready performance and intelligent smart features, these projectors are built to create an unforgettable viewing experience. Let's get started. Number 5. Hisense XR10. The Hisense XR10 is a flagship 4K triple laser projector engineered for premium home entertainment. Delivering an incredible 6,000 ANSI lumens of brightness, it produces vibrant images even in bright living rooms, while supporting screen sizes from 65 all the way up to 300 inches. Its pure RGB triple laser light engine covers an impressive 118% of the BT 2020 color space, while Dolby Vision, HDR10+, IMAX Enhanced, and Active 3D support ensure stunning picture quality. Setup is made simple with motorized zoom, autofocus, lens shift, and AI-assisted image correction. The projector also features a built-in Devulet 2.1 channel sound system, HDMI 2.1 gaming support with refresh rates up to 240 Hz, and a long-lasting 25,000-hour laser light source, making it a powerful centerpiece for movies, sports, and gaming. Number 4. Valerion VisionMaster Max. The Valerion VisionMaster Max is designed for viewers who appreciate outstanding color accuracy and premium image quality. Its RGB triple laser engine produces 3,500 ISO lumens while achieving an impressive 50,000 to 1 dynamic contrast ratio. Proprietary technologies help reduce laser speckle and minimize the rainbow effect often associated with DLP projectors. Dolby Vision, HDR10+, IMAX Enhanced, Active 3D, and Filmmaker Mode all contribute to a cinematic viewing experience. Flexible installation comes through optical zoom and generous lens shift, while gamers benefit from HDMI 2.1 connectivity and input lag as low as 4 milliseconds at 1080p and 240 Hz. Powered by Google TV, it also provides easy access to streaming apps and smart entertainment features. Number 3. Epson QB1000. The Epson QB1000 is a premium home theater projector that uses Epson's advanced 3LCD laser technology to deliver equally bright color and white images without rainbow artifacts. Producing 3,300 lumens of brightness, it combines a powerful QZX picture processor with dynamic tone mapping and HDR10+ support for highly detailed 4K visuals. Ultra-black technology enhances contrast, while the Precision 15-element glass lens offers motorized zoom, focus, and extensive vertical and horizontal lens shift for flexible installation. Dual HDMI 2.1 input support, 4K gaming at 120 Hz, and the 20,000-hour laser light source ensures years of maintenance-free operation. It's designed to provide an immersive viewing experience for dedicated home theater enthusiasts. Number 2. XGIMI HORIZON 20 Max. The XGIMI HORIZON 20 Max combines portability with impressive flagship-level performance. Its advanced RGB triple laser engine generates up to 5,700 ISO lumens, allowing vibrant images even during daytime viewing. The integrated gimbal stand makes positioning incredibly simple, while automatic keystone correction, autofocus, obstacle avoidance, and screen alignment help achieve a perfectly adjusted picture within seconds. Supporting Dolby Vision, HDR10+, IMAX Enhanced, and refresh rates up to 240 Hz, it's equally capable for movies and gaming. Built-in Harman Kardon speakers provide immersive sound, while Google TV delivers seamless access to popular streaming services, making this projector an excellent all-in-one entertainment solution. Number 1. Leica Cine Play. The Leica Cine Play brings together premium craftsmanship, elegant design, and impressive projection technology in one compact package. Powered by an RGB triple laser light source producing up to 3,000 ANSI lumens, it delivers sharp 4K images across screen sizes reaching up to 300 inches. Leica's renowned Summicron optics provide exceptional edge-to-edge clarity, while Leica image optimization enhances color accuracy, contrast, and overall image quality. Automatic keystone correction, wall color adaptation, and a flexible tilt and swivel base make setup quick and convenient in almost any room. Running on the Vida Smart platform, with support for Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and built-in DTS Virtual X audio, the Cineplay offers an elegant home cinema experience with premium streaming capabilities and refined performance. And that wraps up today's countdown of 5 outstanding 4K smart projectors designed for immersive home entertainment. Whether you're creating a dedicated home theater, upgrading your living room, or looking for a versatile projector for movies and gaming, these models offer a wide range of premium features and impressive performance. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest technology reviews and top product round.